Teddy. Hi, Lucy. We miss you.
You want to see where we are?
We're at Temple Uluwatu in Bali.
Whoa! And there are some monkeys. There are some monkeys. You see the monkeys? The sun is going down. It's very pretty. Do you see the water in the ocean? Let's see here.
The monkeys are grooming each other.
Hi there. I love you guys. We miss you.
Love you too.
We're having fun in Bali. We give you a big kiss. Mwah. Daddy gives you a kiss. Oh, that was a big kiss, Daddy. Can you say bye-bye to the monkeys? Say bye-bye, monkeys. Bye-bye, monkeys.